Today, we will show you how to change the battery in your child's vívofit Junior 3. Your child's vívofit Junior 3 has up to a 1-year battery life, and by replacing it, you can extend the life for up to another year. To replace the battery in your child's vívofit Junior 3, you will need the watch, a small PH00 Phillips head screwdriver, and a replacement CR2025 battery. To optimize battery life, use a new battery that was manufactured within the last 2 years. Start by discharging any built-up static electricity and then remove the module from the band. Next, turn the module over and use your screwdriver to loosen all 4 screws. The screws are designed to stay in the battery cover. Once all 4 screws are loosened, remove the battery cover. Then remove the old battery. Next, install the new battery with the plus side facing up. Confirm that the blue gasket is seated in the groove in the module. Then, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the button on the module. The battery cover will sit flat against the module when installed correctly. Tighten all of the screws securely. Don't over-tighten the screws. Over-tightening could cause damage to the battery cover. Now, you can install the module into the band. Make sure to align the button of the module with the button location on the band. If needed, you can turn the band inside out to easily fit the module in the band. Press the button to turn the watch back on. And that's it! You can now change the battery in your child's vívofit Junior 3. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.